Let me start with a truth that most people don't like to hear. You don't need perfect English to earn money online. You don't an accent. You don't need big vocabulary. And you definitely don't need grammar that sound like a school textbook. What you really need it, the ability to communicate your idea clearly. That's it. And once you understand this, your fear of English slowly start disappearing. Because now English is no longer as a subject, it's become a tool. Most people think English is a gatekeeper. They believe English decide who will earn money and who will not. But in the online world, English is not a gatekeeper. It's just a bridge between you and opportunity. And you don't need a beautiful bridge. You just need a strong one that work. Even broken English work if your message is clear. I have seen people who cannot speak English fluently, but they are more than people who speak very polished English. Why? Because online income is not about how beautifully you speak. It's about how useful you are. The internet does not pay you for English. The internet pay you for your value. English just help you explain that value. Let me explain this in a very simple way. Imagine two people, one speaks very fluently English but has no skill. The other speaks simple, average English but know how to design a logo or edit a video, write content, manage social media, or even do basic data work. Who do you think will earn online? The second person. Every single time. Online platform don't ask you how good is your English. They ask, can you solve this problem? And if you can solve the problem, your English automatically become good enough. Now talk about the biggest fear people have. They say, what if I make mistake? Let me tell us something very important. Online clients do not care about your mistake. They care about your honesty, your effort, your delivery. If you reply on time, if you do the work properly, and if you communicate clearly, small English mistakes do not matter at all. In fact, many international clients are not native English speaker themselves. They are from Germany, France, Japan, Korea, or many other countries. They also use simple English. So, when you speak English simple, you are not weak. You are normal. Simple English is actually powerful English. It is direct, it is clear, and it avoid confusion. Many beginners think they must use big words to sound smart. That's a mistake. Smart people use simple words. Rich communication is not about difficult vocabulary. It's about clear thinking. Now, let me talk about where English is used online. Not in speeches, not in debate, mostly in chats, emails, or short messages. You don't need to speak for hours. You need to write short, clear sentence like, I can do this work. I will deliver by Friday. Please check and tell me changes. That's it. This level of English is enough to starting earning. And work is very practical. Freelancing, remote job, content creation, customer support, virtual assignment, data entry, and none of this require fancy English. They require function English, English that work. And there is another truth nobody tell you. English improve automatically when money is involved. When English become your income tool, you learn faster because now you are not learning English to pass an exam. You are learning English to reply to a client, to understand instruction, to protect your payment. That kind of learning is real and permanent. Let me very honest with you. If you wait to become fluent before starting, you will never start. Fluency is not a starting point. Fluency is a result. You start with simple English, you earn a little, you gain confidence, your English improve, and you earn more. That's a real path. Many people stay pure not because they lack talent, but because they over respect English. They treat English like a god instead of a tool. English is not here to judge you. English is here to serve you. You don't need to speak like a native speakers. You don't need to speak like a responsive worker. That difference can change your life. Let me also tell you, you don't need to speak like a native speaker. You need to speak like a responsible worker. That difference can change your life. Let me also tell you something emotional. Many intelligent people feel inferior just because of English. They think they are less smart. That is completely false. Intelligence has nothing to do with English. English is just a language. Your brain works the same in any language. The moment you stop feeling ashamed of English, you unlock opportunity. Confidence matter more than correctness. If you wait for perfect sentence, you lose real chance. Online earning reward action, not perfection. So, if you are listening to this and thinking, my English is not good, I want you to change that sentence. Say, my English is good enough to start, because that is the truth. Start with what you know, use simple sentences, make mistake, learn from them, improve daily, and remember this one line clearly. You don't earn money because of English. You earn money because of courage. English just follow. If you use English as a tool, it will make you money. If you fear English, it will control you. The choice is yours.